You need a thunderstorm to form a tornado. To create a thunderstorm, you need three things. You need a massive unstable air to create a thunderstorm. The cold air from around the world and the warm air from around the world forms into a thunderstorm that sometimes makes a tornado.
First, a thunderstorm is formed, and then sometimes a tornado is formed. It twists and turns. It can get up to 300 miles per hour. It's a very dangerous thing to get close to.
There are 1,000 tornadoes nationwide per year. Tornadoes are very violent columns. Thunderstorms start tornadoes. For it to form, warm, moist air is needed.